Welcome back to Prop News Time. Here are the headlines for the day. Guwahati to get 11. New 5-star hotels as hospitality sector. Expands Assam. Chief Minister Shri Himanta Biswa Sarma has announced that Guwahati will soon welcome 11 new 5-star hotels, positioning the city as a regional hospitality hub. This includes 2 Marriott properties, Marriott Resort and Spa, and Fairfield by Marriott, spread over 25 acres with a combined investment of rupees 500 crore. These projects, part of Advantage Assam 2.0, are already under construction. Further developments include 4 more Marriott hotels, 2 Taj properties, a Lemon Tree Hotel, and Radisson's expansion with 100 additional rooms. These ventures aim to boost hospitality infrastructure, create jobs, and elevate Guwahati's stature in tourism and business. GMRL seeks land clearance to start work on Gurugram Metro Phase 1. 1. Gurugram Metro Rail Limited has sought a no-objection certificate from the Haryana Shahri Vikas Pradhikaran to utilize over 5,800 square meters of land for 10 stations in Phase 1 of the new metro corridor. This phase has a budget of rupees 1,286 crore. The full corridor will span 28.5 kilometers with 27 stations, linking Millennium City Centre to Cyber City at a total cost of rupees 5,452 crore. A casting yard is planned in Sector 33. Gujarat government allocates rupees 2,204 crore for urban development projects under the Swarnim As Jayanti Mukhyamantri Shaheri Vikas Yojana. The Gujarat government has approved rupees 2,204 crore to upgrade infrastructure in 5 municipal corporations, 3 newly formed corporations, 3 urban development authorities, and 5 municipalities. Projects will include road and drainage work, stormwater lines, libraries, recharge wells, gardens, and city beautification. The year 2025 has been declared the Urban Development Year. Mumbai Metro Line 3, BKC, Worli stretch, now operational. The second phase of Mumbai Metro Line 3, a 9.6-kilometer underground stretch from Acharya Atre Chowk in Worli to Bandra Kurla complex, has been inaugurated. This expands the operational route to 20 kilometers, improving north-south connectivity from RA to Worli. Key locations covered include Dharavi, Dadar, Mahim, and Siddhivinayak Temple. Analysts expect a 1.5 to 2 times rise in annual office leasing in core business districts such as BKC and Worli. The final extension to Cafe Parade will further improve urban mobility. Payne property sales update. A 772 square feet flat was sold in Godrej Exquisite Kavesar for rupees 1 crore 70 lakh. A 686 square feet flat was sold in Bhagwati Salistria, Airoli for rupees 1 crore 57 lakh. A 987 square feet flat was sold in Rourke Mayflower Gardens, Ambanath for rupees 48 lakh. Poon's first racecourse themed township announced with rupees 550 crore budget. Hiranandani Communities, Chrysala Developers, and Della Resorts have partnered to build a racecourse-themed township near Pune with an investment of rupees 550 crore. The 40-acre project includes a resort, villas, wedding and conference venues, and an 8-acre racecourse. It has a projected revenue potential of rupees 1,100 crore. Della aims to launch 10 such projects by financial year 2026. Macrotech Developers, EYES, entry into Delhi NCR with land acquisition strategy. Macrotech Developers, known for the Lodha brand, they're planning to enter the Delhi NCR market by acquiring land for residential group housing projects. The firm has already invested rupees 7,000 crore in land acquisition last fiscal and is targeting an additional investment of over rupees 8,000 crore this year. Initial pilot projects are being planned to understand regional demand before scaling operations. Amrita Puri and family purchase luxury Mumbai apartment for rupees 37 crore. Actress Amrita Puri and her parents have bought a 5,446.53 square feet apartment in World 1, Verparel, for rupees 37 crore. Located on the 49th floor of the Lodha Group's luxury development, the deal includes 4 car parking spaces, rupees 2 crore, 22 lakh in stamp duty, and registration charges. L&T Realty buys 34-acre plot in Panvel for rupees 102 crore. L&T Realty has purchased a 34-acre industrial zoned land parcel in Panvel for over rupees 102 crore. This marks its first outright land purchase, diverging from joint ventures. The company may use it for residential development or a precast facility. The move is part of its broader expansion across Navi Mumbai and the Mumbai metropolitan region. Delhi High Court bars WTC Noida from using trademark amid dispute. The Delhi High Court has issued an interim injunction against WTC Noida Development and its promoters, including Ashish Bhalla, barring them from using the World Trade Center branding. The order follows WTCA's complaint about continued brand usage after license termination. The injunction is in force until mid-September. ORERA seeks strict enforcement of buyer consent clause in project changes. The Odisha Real Estate Regulatory Authority has requested that state planning authorities enforce the requirement of 2/3 buyer consent before making project plan changes. This comes after developers were found altering approved layouts without informing allottees. ORERA emphasized that the Real Estate Act overrides earlier planning laws and must be followed strictly. Noida Authority escalates recovery efforts against Sikka Infrastructure over rupees 277 crore dues. Facing non-payment of rupees 277 crore in dues, the Noida Authority has sealed 31 flats and initiated proceedings under land revenue laws against Sikka Infrastructure. A formal complaint has also been lodged with the Economic Offences Wing. Bombay High Court orders land survey to probe encroachments on IIT. Bombay Land responding to a PIL. The Bombay High Court has ordered a survey of IIT Bombay's land in Powai to investigate alleged illegal encroachments. The court has also directed authorities to ensure police protection during any eviction drives and asked for a detailed report from the Mumbai Suburban District Collector, West Bengal, to auction 17 acres in New Town. Evaluates Rajarhat plots. The West Bengal government plans to auction 17 acres of freehold land in New Town for commercial development. Additionally, it is reviewing 34 residential plots in Rajarhat for apartment development or sale. These plots are close to IT hubs and offer strong market value. Supreme Court orders demolition of illegal structures on DDA land in Okhla. The Supreme Court has ordered the Delhi Development Authority to demolish illegal constructions on 2 bighas and 10 biswas of land in Okhla village, excluding 1 bigha and 8 biswas under PM Uday. A 15-day notice period must be issued before demolition begins. Karnataka introduces Greater Bengaluru Governance Act. The Karnataka government has passed the Greater Bengaluru Governance Act 2024, replacing the BBMP Act. It will form the Greater Bengaluru Authority, chaired by the Chief Minister, and split Bengaluru into multiple municipal corporations for better governance. The current BBMP will function during the transition period. Ludhiana Municipal Corporation intensifies tax recovery drive. The Ludhiana Municipal Corporation has issued notices to departments like GLADA and the Punjab Agricultural University for non-payment of property tax on commercial use properties. Officials are publicizing images of defaulting properties to pressure departments into compliance. If dues remain unpaid, enforcement actions will follow. Ravi Infra Build projects to raise rupees 1,100 crore via IPO. Ravi Infra Build projects Ltd plans to raise rupees 1,100 crore through a fresh IPO. The funds will go toward equipment purchases, debt repayment, and corporate growth. The company has a presence across several states and works on major infrastructure programs. AERA approves. Revised UDF at Mumbai Airport. Caps hike at 21.6%. The Airport Economic Regulatory Authority has approved a new user development fee structure for Mumbai Airport. Domestic UDF is now rupees 275 to 304, and international UDF is rupees 830 to 875. A rupees 175 fee applies to all arrivals. MEL's proposal for a 67% hike was scaled down to keep travel affordable. RBI removes limits for foreign investment in corporate debt. The Reserve Bank of India has removed the 30% cap on short-term corporate debt investments and concentration limits for foreign portfolio investors. The move aims to boost foreign capital inflow into India's bond markets. L&T reports 25% PAT growth. Optimistic for FY26. Larsen & Toubro reported a consolidated PAT of rupees 5,497 crore for Q4 FY25, up 25%. Annual PAT stood at rupees 15,037 crore, with order inflows of at rupees 3.56 trillion. International orders made up 58%. L&T expects a 10% growth in orders for FY26. Adani Group partners with Bhutan's DGPC for 5,000 megawatt hydropower projects. Adani Group has signed an MOU with Bhutan's Druk Green Power Corporation to develop hydropower projects totaling 5,000 megawatts. This partnership builds on their joint venture in the Wangchu project and includes pumped storage and other initiatives to be rolled out in phases. SIA ordered for road project under Great Nicobar's INR 72,000 crore plan. A 57-kilometer road between Campbell Bay and Galathea Bay, part of Great Nicobar's mega development plan, will undergo a social impact assessment focusing on the Shompen and Nicobarese tribes. Environmental concerns persist over the INR 72,000 crore project, which includes a port, airport, and township. Gokhale Bridge reopens after 7 years, restoring vital east-west link in Mumbai. After enduring 7 years of partial closures, delays, and detours, commuters in Mumbai can now access the fully reopened Gokhale Bridge in Andheri, marking a crucial step in restoring the east-west corridor. The rupees 90 crore reconstruction project, which faced repeated setbacks due to coordination challenges between the full Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation and Western Railways, has now been completed with 2 operational lanes in each direction. Civic engineers and local groups have expressed relief at the long-awaited reopening. CoStar to acquire Australia's Domain Group for Australian dollars 3 billion. Australia's Domain Group will be acquired by CoStar Group, a United States-based real estate analytics company, for Australian dollars 3 billion, which is approximately United States dollars 1.92 billion, including debt. The deal, which includes a purchase price of Australian dollars 4.43 per share, has been endorsed by Domain's board and its majority shareholder, Nine Entertainment. CoStar, which already holds a 16.9% stake in Domain, aims to leverage this acquisition to enhance its presence in the online property marketplace sector, competing directly with REA Group, Australia's leading property portal. The transaction is expected to undergo a shareholder vote in mid-August and may require approval from Australia's Foreign Investment Review Board. That's a wrap for today. Tune in tomorrow for the latest headlines.